All right, Happy New Year, our people.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New 2023.
Welcome to 2023. Another one. Version. Welcome to 2023.
You are most welcome to the year of settlement.
You are most welcome to the year of our total domination.
We are welcome, all of you are welcome to the year of all-round prosperity.
Oh my God. All right, I know you people will be wondering, why are we here this morning? We have started again this year, and this year we have a different thing for you, because every year new style, a new year, new things. If you are not improving by the year, that means you are never created. Yes, because
you're dormant.
You are dormant, because anybody created by God should be.
You keep moving.
You keep moving. Be a moving train. Don't allow people to move you. If they refuse to move you, move yourself. Don't wait until you are moved. Be moved by the things you do. Be moved by the things that comes around you. All right, we have a very important message. This message is very, very important, and that is the reason we are making this video. We are not trying to tell you what to do or trying to command you, but we are making it as an appeal.
Yes.
Please, this message is for the church leaders, the ministers of God, the clergies, reverend fathers, pastors. In fact, only priests. Conduct events like burial service, child dedication, wedding, house opening. In fact, whatever I been at church, or whatever I name as in service, anything service. Please, we want to beg us. It's not going to be a very wonderful thing that you are invited to an event, and at the end of the day, you have a problem on the road or something will happen to you. Nobody in Nigeria that does not know how the country is. Yes, we are not really the way we used to be. Like this.
We are security conscious.
So I can't have a church. If somebody, Bible said it, once somebody dies, judgment immediately. So all those things are in the more formalities. Maybe can I make sure our church right, our church pattern, and all the rest of them. So you don't use it to keep people waiting. And at the end of the day, people will
live in the night.
Encounter a whole lot of negativity. It's not really auguring well with me. Just yesterday, 4th of January, we went for an event. The program was scheduled for 12 p.m. We were there by 11, at least 11:40 something. Yes. We are already waiting. Then the cops have not even arrived from the mortuary. From mortuary, they took her to her father's house. From her father's house to the place she was married before. From the place she was married before to the place they were supposed to marry her before she died. You know,
the place she finally
settled, and then that program is a TNL. Ebola tozu, ebidozie service. Come by Barabi since that 12:30 Ebola career. Begide church, begide church. Kubidozi oma. Wa bobe yiri trouser gafe. Eji ekuzi oma. Onye ebody show ye gafe. No, all those things are not necessary.
It's not necessary.
You can just do it within some hours, within minutes, like 1 hour. Okay, give yourself 1 hour. Say between 1 hour, this service is over.
What
it's not really sounding well. We should think about it. Our pastors, our reverend fathers, whoever that is in charge of service, like I said earlier, we should try and curtail this.
Yes, let us be time conscious.
We consume time a lot on unnecessary things that does not really matter.
At least for security reasons.
For security reasons, people will be okay. It was in the guy being here. Onye mege ihe ego ha ga-echegide. Some of them will be there with envelope na biko anya ala ga na alafa, and the person will not feel happy. Ndị na-efekwe na ego, please ụmụnna anyị ma na ụlọ pati ndị na-efeli ego elu ka mara ka esi efe ego. Sometimes some things I na-eme, it doesn't really,
it draws a whole lot of things.
Ibezi ego ị ga-enye friend gị enweta ị ga-eshi na-etu ego ahụ na-adasa mana ibezi ime ụta ụmụaka even go no give them, they will date you. Everything called no maturity. They say maturity is not by the size of a person, but what comes out of you makes
sense of reasoning.
Yeah, your sense of belonging. The sense of belonging. All truth in cover them up. Yeah, New Year. Cover me with the blood of Jesus. So please, we are begging. We don't want to sound rude, but we're begging us to help us too.
Let's comport ourselves.
Let's comport ourselves.
Be time conscious. Because we all know how the country is now. Based on security.
Security even came in on the 21st of December.
Hey.
Just 2 seconds. I na put the Haaland. I want to give it. And
the event end.
He end the things.
But it's all the same.
Actually, they met us there. We are the target. But God saved us. Please, we are begging. Beacon, send this message, share this video, send it to your pastors, send it to your reverend fathers. They should share this message and then make it. I mean, see my aki. Burial service or wedding, so carry 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Depending on the
church. I go hana someone now. Do I hear so? Bunye was in your meter no why na chie ga pere we zo.
Yes, get me one year.
Everything you make me handle house to we ni la. Kukwati yo kane. Odroma. She came more about counting my woman.
I'm taking her personal.
Why wouldn't I took it?
I'm going.
So please share this video. Make sure you get to everybody. Drop your comments if what we said is right and if what we say is wrong. Just drop your comment. Let's see how you feel. Can you share the same feelings? Because when my life is in danger, our life either, because Maggie is in danger.